Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way.
What's up guys, this is your man GidK once again. In today's video I bring to you another behind the scenes video of a street photo shoot I did recently. So without talking much, I'll leave you to enjoy it and also check out the edited shots at the end of this video. And don't forget to leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand, man, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
You are short.
Hello.
Aha. Yes.